What's the meaning of budding? Budding. Budding.
Budding. Budding. The word budding generally means the beginning stages of something, often in reference to the growth or development of a plant. In biology, budding refers to a form of asexual reproduction where a new organism forms on the surface of the parent organism and eventually separates to become an independent entity. The result of budding can be seen in organisms such as yeast, hydra, and some types of algae. Budding allows for quick and efficient reproduction without the need for complex mating rituals and can result in the rapid spread of a species in favorable conditions.